almost there. In today's video, we will be taking a closer look at Cigar Humidifier controller and its various functions. Let's get started. Point 1. Power on-off. The screen shows the status off after connecting the power supply. Press the switch key button. Point 2. Current humidity. The controller displays the current humidity level, 68% RH. Press the up or down keys to see the initial humidity range. It's 60% to 70% RH. Point 3. Setting target humidity. Long press 3 seconds on the down keys. Then the screen will start flashing. Press the up key or down key again to set the stop humidity. When the flashing stops and the unit exits the edit mode, now the stop humidity is 68% RH. Point 4. Real-time temperature. This controller also provides a real-time temperature reading, lets you know the temperature inside your cigar cabinet. Press the setting key for 5 seconds, and then the data shows it's 29 Celsius degree in our home. Point 5. Fault code E1. When the screen shows E1, the humidity sensor is loose or broken. Tidy it or change a new one is okay. Point 6. Fault code E2. When setting the aim humidity, if we place the start humidity data more than the stop humidity data, the screen will show E2. To fix this, please reset the humidity range. Start humidity is 60% and stop humidity is 59%. E2 now. Point 7. Back to the default setting. Press the switch key for 5 seconds and wait until the screen shows 888. It will jump to the initial humidity and restore the humidity settings. Point 8. Humidity calibration. Suppose the panel displays do not show real humidity. Press the setting key and it shows 06N. Second, press it and it shows FON. Thirdly, press it and it shows 0. Now, you can adjust the humidity by pressing the up or down keys, -9 to 9% RH, to reset the exact humidity data. So the screen shows our current humidity is 64% RH, not 68% RH. The Cigar Humidifier controller offers convenient control and monitoring features to ensure your cigars are stored automatically. That wraps up our tutorial on using the Cigar Humidifier controller. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Cigar Humidifier related content. This is Cloud from Better Joy Air. Thank you for watching.